Today we are going to learn regarding the digitization tools. So first of all, we are going to open up the ArcMap 10.2. We are going to add on the base map. First of all, you have to add on the shapefile on which you want to perform the digitization. Focus on the area for which you are going to digitize. Likewise, I am going to digitize an area of Lahore. First of all, you have to add on the toolbar of snapping. Make sure it is checked. In the next step, you have to start editing in the polygon. Now I am going to create features. As we all know, snapping is necessary for creating the features. It will enhance your accuracy and make sure less errors will be generated. As for now, snapping is off. So whenever I have to create the adjacent plots, I will make sure that snapping is on so that it will automatically pick up the edges. Now I will utilize out the cut polygon to further cut down the big block into small pieces, or I can say that small plots. If you will observe the attribute data, you will see that how much polygons you have generated are observed over here. If your block is not selected, it will not generate or it will not cut the polygon further. So make sure your polygon is selected at the time of cutting the polygon. In this step, you will observe that there is a tool that is going to be merge. If you want to merge the two polygons into one, then utilize out this toolbar. Step, we are going to observe the reshape feature tool. So first of all, you have to select down the feature you want to reshape. I have selected the polygon. Click on the reshape tool. Now the polygon has been reshaped. Next, we are going to add on the line shape file so that we can learn out the split toolbar. I am going to change its symbology. So now click on the split toolbar. The split toolbar, you can disconnect or you can create two features of road network, or you can create two roads at the same time by just cutting it to two pieces. Now save the edits and move on to the next tool. The next step, I am going to add on the add field and enter its land use and determine its use for the different blocks I have created so far. First tool you are using is going to be the trace tool. First of all, I'm going to create an polygon. It is adjacent to the polygon. As you see, there is an overlapping over the polygons. So for removing that, I'm going to utilize out the trace toolbar. For that purpose, you have to delete it first. Then click on the trace tool. Trace it. Then click on the line segment to trace other features of the polygon. And here is the proper adjustment of the polygon, and there is no error present between the polygon network